This is the beautiful wooden Birdfy birdhouse with a 1080p built-in solar-powered camera. Its 1.5-inch entrance is big enough for most birds, but not those pesky squirrels. So if you put it in the right spot and wait long enough, you should be able to enjoy watching birds nesting and enjoying their new home. It's an amazing gift to yourself or bird lovers. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look, including how easy it is to assemble and set up. This is gorgeous! A wooden birdhouse, wow! You've got an accessory box with some tools for charging the camera and securing it in various ways. To open it, you swivel this little metal bit, and then this pulls down, and then you've got to set up the camera. Ooh, it comes with the mounting bit. All this is already attached. Here's your antenna. Wow. Camera, antenna. This one is blocked off. This is a mounting bit. And then this is the open one. The solar panel is right up here and you can adjust it. No wires or anything. All right, now I gotta find a space for this where it can get power, but not be super hot and be safe for the birds to want to use. I haven't had any birds nest in it yet, but I am really impressed with the camera quality. There is a light function so you can light up inside if it's not bright enough. You can have it take photos for you. And if you have the subscription, it'll have AI identification for what kind of birds they are. But for just basic usage, you don't need the subscription. It'll notify you when there's action and you can view it live and you can save videos. It's just really, really great.